Good morning students. Today we will study revision chapter 6 whole and parts fraction. What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. Here this is then I divided into in 4 parts. This is a whole. First again this. Again we use then I divided into this whole part in 4 parts. This is a whole rectangle. I divided into 4 parts. Then I shaded this in one part. I shaded in one part. In our question, what is the shaded part? What is the fraction of shaded part? What is, first you count the total number of part 1, 2, 3, 4. Then that is right in the downside of the line. Then you write the shaded part. How many part do you shade? One part. Then the above the line is called numerator. The below the line is called the denominator. The line above the line is called the numerator. Below the line is called the denominator. What is our shaded part of the fraction? 1/4. Another question, what is the unshaded part of the fraction? How many? First you count the total part 1, 2, 3, 4. The total part is in denominator. Then unshaded 1, 2, 3. This is our numerator. Now our fraction is 3/4. 3/4. 3 is our numerator and 4 is our denominator. Then write the numerator and denominator. Write the numerator and denominator. Then 7/13. What is our numerator and what is our denominator? Then you write 7 is numerator is equal to 7. Denominator is equal to 30. Understand you? Write the numerator and denominator of the fraction. Then our answer. The above the line is called the numerator. Below the line is called the denominator. Our numerator is 7. Our denominator is 13. Understand you? Next, write the fraction. Write the fraction. Write the fraction. Write the fraction of numerator is equal to 3, denominator is equal to 7. Here write the fraction of numerator is equal to 3, denominator is equal to 7. First you write 3 numerator, then denominator. Understand you? Numerator and denominator. write the fraction of. Next, like and unlike fraction. Like and unlike fraction. When the denominators are same, when the denominators are same, that fractions are called like fraction. This is like fraction. Here look here, all denominators are 11. When the denominators are same, that fraction is called like fraction. Then when the denominators are different, that fraction is called unlike fraction. When the denominators are different, that fraction is called unlike fraction. When the denominators are same, that fraction is called like fraction. Now, how to arrange in ascending and descending order? How to arrange in ascending and descending? Arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Here, which is the smaller fraction? 1 by 15, then 3 by 15, then 7 by 15, then 8 by 15. Understand that? Ascending means smaller to bigger. Here the denominators are same. Like fractions. Therefore, we arrange this in smaller to bigger numerator. 1 by 15, 3 by 15, 7 by 15 and 8 by 15. Understand this? Then next, arrange in descending order. Arrange in descending order. Descending order. Arrange in descending order. 5 by 13, 8 by 13, 4 by 13 and 9 by 13. First you look, all the denominators are same, like fractions this. Then arrange in descending order. Descending means bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller. Answer. Which is the bigger fraction? 9 by 13. 9 by 13. Then 8 by 13. Then 5 by 13. Then 4 by 13. This is the descending order. Then now compare the fractions. Compare the fractions. Here denominators are same, then you compare which is the greater denominator, numerator, which is greater? This. This is greater fraction. Okay. Then now how to add the fraction? add the following. First, 3 by 17 plus 2 by 17. First you add only the numerator and numerator. 3 plus 2 upon 17. How to write? Only you add the numerator and numerator. That is 5 by 17. That is 5 by 17. Understand you how to add the following? Then subtract. Subtract 9 by 13 minus 7 by 13. 9 by 13 minus 7 by 13. Only you subtract numerator and numerator, that is 9 minus 7 upon 13. 9 minus 7 upon 13. Then you get it 2 by 13. This is the whole and parts of fraction. You understand now? Then color the this is shaded in 1/5 part, shaded in 2/5 part, 2/5 part. 2/5 part you shaded. Only you shade the numerator. This is, then this. Understand you? They shaded in 2 part question. Coloring the 2 part, you color it, then shaded, there's any color you use. Okay. This is our fraction chapter. Thank you.